Moving on to our next fight, ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, weighing 61.2 kilos, representing a C3 MMA bantamweight division, the Predator, Mohammad Shafi.
Going to the next fight, we have Mohammad Shafi from C3 MMA. Will be taking on Milan from RMX.
Chance to watch Shafi's fight in Mysore. What a fight it was! Is here again in Bangalore to showcase the same skills and technicals. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the blue corner, representing RMX, weighing 61.2 kilos, bantamweight division, introducing Milan Morentam.
So there's a catch in this fight. Muhammad Shafi did not make weight. So if he does not finish the fight and the fight goes to a judge's decision, Milan automatically secures the win.
Now we can't upset Tarun. Tarun is part of this core committee and we can't upset him. Thank you, Tarun.
Hi, fighters, please come in. Do you know the rules, okay?
So you
I
have-
expect a clean fight. Obey my instructions. Touch gloves,
Milan
go
from the
back to
blue
your corner.
corner and Mohammad Shafi from the red corner. Round one about to start. And here we go. So immediately Milan has taken the center of the cage. Both the fighters are in the center of the cage. Both the fighters are gauging each other. Milan started with the outside leg kick, a heavy outside leg kick. We can see here Shafi with a high guard. Milan slowly trying to close the range and land the strikes. Beautiful, like a beautiful level change by Shafi, a double leg takedown by Shafi. Let's see, he can work on that thing. The timing was very excellent on the double leg takedown. Milan is constantly working to get rid of that and come. Shafi has a good hips, is keeping the hips heavy and working. So make sure no mistakes. Milan has good grappling background, using his legs to create space.
Beautiful
Defense
now again,
by
Milan.
Took the back. Shafi has taken the back. Now is smashing from top, giving heavy ground and from top. Should be very careful because this may end up the fight. Shafi is holding his base and constantly
Muhammad
fighting,
is going wide
mounting and doing a
throwing
ground and pound.
a
Shafi
barrage of punches.
trying
from the
constantly
top.
on it. Now good reversal by
Oh,
Milan.
what a reversal
Now Milan
by
on
Milan.
top. Now
That
Milan
was
going for the strikes.
Beautiful.
Milan on the top and going for the strikes. Milan is more composed, guys. He's trying to go for the submission, but still not. Can he finish it? Can he convert it to an armbar? He doesn't have it. Now Shafi has taken top position under again. Where is inside Milan's guard? Now keeping a good wide base. Shafi is trying to land some strikes.
Muhammad once
Look at the
again
hips of
trying
Shafi.
to get into a position where he can just throw punches at Milan.
Very strong hips by Shafi. A good base by Shafi, should I say. And Milan as well. He's trying to control the posture, but unsuccessful. A good punch by Shafi in that sense.
Beautiful defense by Milan.
Now it's back to striking and Milan overpowering. Shafi is throwing the strikes. Another double leg takedown attempt by Shafi, but Milan successfully countered it.
Milan going on side control.
Tight side control by Milan here. Shafi's on the bottom. Last 10 seconds. Let's see if Milan can use the 10 seconds to throw some punches at a ground and pound.
That's the end
Beautiful
of
turn
round
of
one.
events. Like good grappling sequence of both the fighters. Both had their movements.
Once again, just a reminder that Muhammad needs to finish this fight. If it goes to judge's decision, Milan automatically gets the win.
Round 2. Once again, Shafi in the red corner, Milan in the blue corner.
Here
Milan
we go.
pressing forward. Beautiful cross by Milan. Going for front head kick.
Beautiful cross.
Connected. Let's see.
Milan
is
just
down,
going
double
at
leg
it.
takedown.
This might go.
Now Milan has
This
switched
might
it. Now
end
Milan
right
on
here.
top. Shafi doesn't want to give space. He's trying to hold on to Milan, but Milan has created a space, separated, and constantly going for ground and pound.
The pressure and aggression from
Shafi.
Milan is very, very impressive.
Milan is aggressive. Yeah, he is aggressive. He's constantly coming forward and attacking. Well, Shafi as well. He wants to utilize his grappling. Now again, beautiful sequence of punches by Milan.
Beautiful,
Milan is-
powerful strikes from
Striking.
Milan.
Those are some heavy strikes from Milan. And Shafi is still holding the ground. He's there. He's trading. Beautiful cross.
Another clean
By
cross
Milan.
from Milan.
He's still going forward.
Muhammad needs to fight back. If not, the ref is going to
Beautiful
call
level
it.
change again. But excellent sprawl by Milan. Very good counter now. Shafi on the top of the mount again. Now Shafi on the top.
All right, Muhammad on the top. This
Pound
is
and
what
fall.
he
Milan.
needs. This is what he needs to get the win. What a reversal by Milan once again.
What an action, guys. Reversals. They are fighting. They're giving it all there. Now Milan on top, mounting Shafi. Composed. He's trying to hold the hips. Now Shafi is almost giving his back. Almost locked it.
Milan going
Is
for
it
the
synced in?
RNC.
Is it synced in? The RNC. Can Milan finish it? Let's see, tap.
Tap.
Milan.
That's
A
it.
beautiful submission by
That's it.
Milan at the end
Milan
of the
gets the win.
second round. By RNC.
Beautiful performance. Aggression, fierceness,
Milan from
and
RMX
precision all at once.
has got an RNC in the second round.
That's the art of MMA, and Milan has shown that.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner by submission RNC. Let's make some noise for the blue corner, Milan